95I here in the Oswego on a kind of a country road leading to a park. And it's an asphalt road, but it's old and has some potholes. Anyway, I want to demonstrate the noise that I hear underneath the or around the driver's side front wheel. It's a clunk, and I'm hoping that if I take a video from both underneath the car and while in the cabin of the car, that you'll be able to hear the clunking sound, and I can prove to the dealer that I'm not crazy. Anyway, if you have any idea of what could be causing the clunking sound, please leave a comment below. I really appreciate your help. Thank you. So the keys, my keys make a jangling sound. It kind of masks the clunk a little bit, but you can still hear it as we drive down this potholed, marked country road. Now from underneath the car, you'll also hear the same clunking sound during the same stretch of road from the previous clip. Driver's side front wheel, and the clunk happens as I head out of my driveway and go down the curb at the end of the driveway. You'll hear it right here. Okay, now here I am backing up into my driveway. Interesting, you'll hear it when the back wheels go over the curb. Right about here. And then there's one last clunk when I pull into the garage and straighten the wheel.